Hey everyone, Siavash here. So today we're gonna install Python. And to get Python, you can go to the official website python.org, go to downloads and get the latest version, which is 3.7.1 at the time of this recording. Or you can look at the list of downloads, other versions if you want, but for the purposes of our course, it doesn't matter which version, so go ahead and download the latest one. And just to prove that point, I'm going to install an older version just to show you that it really doesn't matter. So it's just the next process. Just remember, the latest version have a checkbox here to add it to the path. Just check that checkbox. And remember to install it in an easy place, like C:/Python 37, for example. So in the latest version, this is a checkbox. Older versions, it's like this. It means add this to the path. And here it goes. And what's that path? Usually in Windows, when you want to type a command like, say, ipconfig, the system needs to know where the command is. So it needs to know where to search for that command. With this path here, we can tell Windows where to look for commands that it cannot find. So when I type Python here, it can look for Python in this path. Simple as that. Because many newbies, they are confused about this path. So it's nothing. You're just telling Windows where to look for Python. That's it. So the installation is finished. And for editing your code, I really suggest Visual Studio Code. It's a very good product from Microsoft. It's open source and it's good. So we run it, we install it. It's just the next process. Remember to tick these, check these. It makes your job easier. And install. So it doesn't matter what version you install, just install version 3. And I'm sorry, my parrots need some attention. And when you install Visual Studio Code, just run it. And you need to add the Python extension so it can understand and give you intelligence and some help when you're writing Python commands. So if you click this, it just installs, simple as that. As you can see, it's installation support for Python, and I really recommend to install JavaScript as well, because when we have a course about Django and stuff like that, you're gonna need this as well. So when the extension is installed, as you can see, it grays out, so that you know that Python extension is installed. I'm gonna click JavaScript. And I'm going to pause the video so this installs as well. So now you have Visual Studio Code ready. Now when you install Python, one program or IDE or whatever you want to call it, people have loads of discussions about what this is. Basically, this is Python's interactive shell. Whatever you type here will be executed. So the simplest command in Python is print, that prints something on the screen. And after this test, if you get hello back, it means you have successfully installed Python and you're good to go. So I'll see you in the next session.